Welcome to my YouTube channel. Right, today we're going to look at how to draft this beautiful agbada that you can see here. Okay, some persons think it's difficult to draft, but I assure you it's not difficult. It is very simple. And so in this video, I'm going to give you a detailed explanation, step by step. Please do not miss any part. Do not fast forward any part, because once you fast forward, you miss the illustration there. And so please, let's go over to our video now. All right, so this is assumed to be your fabric. Would have used a fabric, okay, but we're using this paper instead of fabric because the fabric is too long, and so if I'm explaining, my video cannot cover all part, and so I decided to use this paper pattern just to illustrate how to do it. It's same thing. Apply it on your fabric and you see it will give you the same result. So assuming this is the whole length of your agbada, this type of agbada, we are not cutting the shoulder part. Okay, so the front and the back is one piece of fabric. All right, so this is the whole length from starting from this back, this is the front. All right, and we know here, we know that since we are not slitting the shoulder part, and so the difference between our front piece and back piece will be 2 inch here. I'm assuming I'm making use of 2 inch. Please, making use of 2 inch. All right, 2 inch, 2 inch. We're making use of 2 inch. Yeah, and so this is our front. Our front is usually smaller than the back. Okay, don't forget, it is assumed that the length of your agbada, you've calculated your allowance. Okay, you've added your allowance to it already. All right, so having known that this is the back, this is the front, and so what we need to do is fold into 2. Now this is the life part of your fabric. Please, this is the part that will show for people to see. This is the part, when you wear it, this is the part that we see. So we are not making use of our wrong side. Now this is not our wrong side, this is the right side where people will see. All right, so it's assumed that you know how to cut your neck already, the neckline. Okay, you know how to cut your neckline already. If you have not understood how to cut your neckline, please drop your request at the comment section. All right, I'll now try and work on that. This is the back, this is the front, and so the shoulder of the person is 18. I'm assuming that this measurement here is 18. Okay, now folding the fabric both front and back into 2. Okay, we divide the 18 by 2, which will give us 9 inch, and half allowance is added to the 9 inch to give us 9.5. So I'm assuming this 1 inch now is our 9.5. This is the shoulder of the person plus allowance. Okay, so what we need to do, what I will do here is to measure 3 inch, 3 inch, 3 inch, 3 inch here, 3 inch here, lastly. Okay, then what we need to do is, you can still measure 3 inch if you want. Okay, please, it can be you can add more than 3 inch, but it must be considered. If it is 4 inch, make sure it's 4 inch consecutively. And so what I do here, the same measurement here, that's what I'll do here and here. Okay, all right, when I'm through, you'll see the mark as well. All right, take note, I've already marked here. Okay, here, 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 3 inch as well, here, 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 and here, and here, 3 inch. Okay, just what I did here, that's what I repeated here. Now what we need to do is fold this part, this first part, this your shoulder, the shoulder measurement that we did, and we added allowance to it. That's where you fold first. So watch me, watch me. This is the shoulder. Okay, this is the shoulder, this is the shoulder. Please make use of iron. Okay, you can decide to notch here and notch here. can decide to notch here and notch here. All right, but make use of iron. Iron is your friend here. Please, for your work to be neat, please make use of your iron. Your iron is your friend. All right. And so what we need to do now, after folding this part, we'll fold this part to meet this part, to touch this part. So watch me. So you can see, you iron. Okay, your iron is your friend. Iron is your friend here. In this Agbada, iron is your friend. Okay, we've done it. All right. So the next step is, we've done the first part, the first folding. Now the second folding is, what we need to do in our second folding is that this part and this part and this part, we'll fold it. Okay, so just watch me as I fold it. We said this part, okay, this part, a notch. Don't forget, you can iron. Okay, just make use of your iron. Iron is your friend here. Okay, just iron. All right, you've seen I folded it, and so what I need to do, look at it, look at my fold, look at my fold here. So I'll fold and meet to touch this part, okay. And so what I need to do is this. All right. So you can see, all right, we've finally folded this. Okay, we finally folded this. All right, we now have these splits. So whatever you do to this split, the measurement you took in this split, do also to this same side. Whatever you do to your right hand side, okay, or your left hand side, wherever, depending on where your fabric is facing you, whatever you do to this part, same measurement. That means the shoulder, okay, plus allowance 3 inch consecutively. All right, I'll show you when I'm through with this. All right. All right, as you can see, I've done my left hand side. Okay, you can see same pleating we did here. All right, this is the front, this is the back. All right, if now this is the back and front, you can now fold. Okay, you can adjust it because of the neckline, depending on your cut. All right, at least when you cut at the end, okay, your front and back will actually be the same, this front and back. So you understand, but for tutorial purpose, that is why you can see there is a little there's a difference here. All right, it's just because of tutorial purpose. All right, so what we need to do, please don't forget. All right, don't forget, the rest, the other part is just a little sleeve. Okay, your arm circle, the one, you can draw this arm circle yourself and you fold it inside. All right, fold this inside, you can draw your arm circle depending on how you want it, and fold it inside, and with this you are good. Okay, in our next video, which is the part 2 of this video, we'll make use of a senator material live and direct, okay, to illustrate this Agbada. Okay, and you see it to come out beautiful as compared to the one you saw previously. All right, so please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click on subscribe. It is absolutely free of charge. You won't be charged any money for subscribing. All right, then click on like button, give it a thumbs up. If my video have added value to you, give it a thumbs up. All right, by clicking on like, and click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified instantly that there is a new video. Please share my video with others, friends, neighbors. See you in our next video. Bye bye.